suligin, ano? Longing for authority, longing for position, longing for para makikita sa sakit ng kapon ka muna. Para manigas na lang yun. Rather than longing for a right character. Okay? So the context of this scenario clearly indicates that Lucifer was not aspiring to be like Most High in character, but enthroned. In other words, Lucifer wanted to be like God in the control he had over the universe. He coveted the power and authority, but despised the love and the kindness of God. Kung sa'yo nakabit, kung sa'yo napunta siya kasing-kasing, power and authority instead of kindness of God. Whenever anyone gains political and temporal power, despise love and mercy, and tyrant or dictator is created, injustice and innocent suffering always result from this type of worship. Okay, if you resign for that, whatever happens, then